Hey everyone, Amanda here with Moses and Me Card Company rather. Today I'm going to show you the cards we created using the Simon Says Stamp limited edition Fresh Air Flowers card kit. But first let's take a look and see what we have in the kit. This is, of course, it looks like their Mother's Day card kit. Although I don't think they said that that's what it was, but in any case, first starting with the papers, let's see what we get. We get a sheet of, let's see what color this is. This is cornflower blue, lavender, and all pink. We also get any pattern paper in here? Yes, we do get some pattern paper. We get 6x6 Crafter's Companion Wildflower Collection, which has got some really pretty wildflower pattern papers. Of course, they are double-sided, so you have to make hard choices. Not my best, but we will do our best. We also get some washi tape. This is, let's see here. These are just 3 washi tapes that have metallic details on them. Maybe I should put those in view for you guys. I'm trying to see who creates these. They don't actually give us a sheet with the specialty kit. So this is the American Crafts metallic washi tapes. We get a stencil. This is a Hearts of Bloom stencil from Simon. We also get some wood stickers. There are 9 of the wood stickers. They kind of look like little stamps. I really like those. Those are pretty. We get a mom die. There's where I think it's, of course, the Mother's Day kit. This is the fancy mom die. We also get a gift card pocket holder die from Simon. We get the CZ Designs Reverse Sassy Mama Sentiment Strips. So that'll be fun. We also get the Place and Pierce Embellishment Wand from Simon. This is, I think, new. We get some Jerese adhesive foam, which would be nice to make some dimensional cards. We get a card, a gift card sleeve from Simon. I'm trying to figure out what this thing is. This is a, oh goodness, this is a craft bottle hanger. I guess you could put gifts and stuff in there. We get a metallic envelope. This is in a crew. That one's pretty. Kind of looks like a peachy color. We get some Tim Holtz Ideology frames. We get some terrific tape from Simon. Sorry, that was not meant that terrible. It is terrific, and it means that it's terrible, like you can tear it. We also get some pre-scored note cards. We get a slimline envelope, and this is the green. I don't know what color. Green, but some sort of green color. We also get, oh, these are mint, I'm sorry. We get 2 mint slimline envelopes. We get the Green Meadow sequins. And last but not least, we get the, well, no, I guess there's one more thing in here. We get the 6x8 stamp set called Fresh Air Flowers. And they also have given us this 6x10 no flap clear bag for us to make an edge-to-edge shaker card with. So let's see if I actually do that. I'm not the greatest at shaker cards. They usually turn out pretty appalling. So maybe I will bring up some courage and make another one. But in any case, there are the contents of the card kit. I look forward to showing you guys what we are able to create with it. Hey everyone, here are the 5 cards we were able to create with this kit. Starting with card number 1.
I just brought in some of the pattern paper that we had with the kit and one of the frames. I of course popped that up on some foam tape so it's got a little bit of dimension. And I hot foiled a sentiment. This is a get well soon sentiment from Spellbinders. This is one of their Glimmer of the Months everyday sentiments. So that guy. And I also grabbed a butterfly that I had from Spellbinders card kit from long ago. I have loads of these floating around my craft room, so I thought I would try to use it up and just create a very simple card using some of the frames from that kit. For card number 2, I wanted to use the beautiful stamp set and make a Mother's Day card, so I used that mom die that we got in the kit, and then the You Are Special to Me, I believe, came from the stamp set as well. And again, some of the pattern paper, I'm sorry, not pattern paper, but some of the cardstock from the kit to cut out that mom die. I stacked that 3 high, and I also stacked this one a few high, so it's got a little bit of dimension. And then of course the main panel is popped up on some fun foam, so it's also got some dimension, and I thought that one just kind of turned out very cute. It's a nice and cheery little card. Nothing too crazy. For card number 3, I wanted to use some more of the beautiful pattern paper. One of the struggles I had though is the pattern paper is so busy. I had a hard time figuring out how to kind of tone it down, and I didn't do such a great job here, but I took, this is a die from Spellbinders. This is, let's see here, the Sealed Blooms, and I cut that out of some of the cardstock that we got in the kit. I brought in some green, and I also brought in this other die from Spellbinders. This is the Sealed Twine, and cut that out of some Desert Storm cardstock. And then I just brought in my Happy Birthday die. This is from Simon Says Stamp. Just a generic Happy Birthday die. I think we got that at a card kit. And did that out of some gold specialty cardstock. And also used, of course, my favorite birthday, Tiny Words Birthday, to bring in a sub-sentiment here. And then I brought in some gems as well, just to give it a little bit of sparkle. And there you have card number 3. For the For You, that was from a Spellbinders stamp set. This is the handmade gift tags, and it's just a little bitty For You that I thought would look nice there. I don't know that I would have put that there had I had another go at it, but it's alright. I think it looks okay. So there's card number 3. For card number 4, I stamped the flowers again from the stamp set. I gold heat embossed the centers of those flowers so that they've got a little bit of shine, and then brought in another one of those frames, popped that up on some fun foam. The background is a pattern paper that we got in the kit, and then this Happy Wishes is from the previous month's card kit that was sitting on my desk, and I had it in this lovely yellow color that I thought went nicely with the flowers, and so I just used that on this card as well, kind of another birthday card. And of course all of this has a little bit of dimension. This is, of course, the sentiment is stacked 3 high, so it's also got dimension. And then this is a lattice pattern cover plate that I have in my stash. I believe that is from, let's see if I've got it handy. I know it's from A Pocket Full of Happiness, and it's not something I've actually used before, so it was kind of nice to get that one out and utilized. I don't seem to have it around, so let's see. No matter. So yeah, it's just a lattice cover plate. I'll try to find a link to it and put it in the description. For card number 3, I'm going to bring in again some of my Spellbinders products. This is the summer label motifs, and all of the flowers and the butterfly are in there, as well as these backgrounds. So I cut these both out of some vellum. This is clear vellum, and then I had some gold vellum. Just kind of give it a little bit of texture. Brought in some cardstock from my stash, and again, this is the Happy Birthday die that I have from Simon Says Stamp. And I really just like how the reds and purples of this cardstock, or the pattern paper rather, are kind of brought out. I thought that was really pretty. So there you have the 5 cards that I created using the specialty card kit this month. I think it's for Mother's Day. As you can see, I made one Mother's Day card out of it. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this gives you some inspiration if you also got the card kit. And hope that you enjoyed the cards I created. Thanks so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. And we'll chat with you soon using the next card kit.